Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a beautiful basket from coconut leaves. First, let's gather our materials. You'll want to select young, green, and flexible coconut fronds. These are much easier to work with than older, brittle leaves, which tend to break. Aim for about 10 to 12 healthy leaves to ensure you have enough for a sturdy, medium-sized basket. Freshness is key for pliability and durability. Now that you have your leaves, it's time for preparation. Soak them in water for a few hours. This makes them much more pliable and prevents cracking during weaving. Next, use sharp scissors to carefully trim away any excess stems or thorns. Finally, split each frond lengthwise into uniform strips, ideally about 1 inch wide. Consistency in strip width will help create a neat and even basket. With your strips ready, let's start weaving the base. Begin by laying 2 strips parallel on a flat surface. Then, take 2 more strips and weave them perpendicularly through the first 2 using an over-under pattern. Continue adding strips, weaving them tightly to form a square base. It's important to pull each strip taut as you weave to ensure a firm and sturdy foundation for your basket. After completing the base, it's time to build the sides. Gently lift the vertical strips upwards, continuing the over-under weaving pattern with new strips around the circumference. Gradually angle the leaves inward to shape your basket as you weave upwards. Once you reach your desired height, fold the top edges of the leaves over to create a neat, strong rim. Tuck in any loose ends to secure your beautiful, handmade basket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.